Alright, this is box break number 28, 2012-13 NHL Fleer Retro Mini Box. Here are the winners. Alright, so there's two mini boxes in here. We're gonna do the one on the right, and then the one on the left is already up for auction, and we'll be doing that one later in the week. Be sure to check that one out as well. First hit for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. Second hit for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jerome Sampson, and that is a terrible autograph. It's more like initials. Second auto for the Chicago Blackhawks, Victor Stalberg. Next hit for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Numbered 28 out of 37, or 20 out of 37. Next auto for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Wendell Clark. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. For the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. And for the New Jersey Devils, Martin Brodeur. For the Montreal Canadiens, Patrick Waugh. And for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. 2 packs left. For the New York Rangers, Chris Kreider. And again, for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Last pack. For the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron, not numbered. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Alright guys, thanks a lot. I'll get these cards out to you this week. Be sure to check out the rest of my breaks. I have quite a few for this week. Thanks a lot.